Is your external component the libhwloc-5 library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Open MPI links. Before we walk through the libhwloc-5 library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the libhwloc-5 library, the Portable Hardware Locality library. It provides localized unmanaged routines for discovering and managing the hardware topology of the system, cores, NUMA nodes, caches. Mandatory for localized high-performance computing, HPC, and scientific simulation software to optimize thread affinity. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Errors related to libhwloc-5 library DLL often mean the internal Open MPI configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with libhwloc-5 library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Manual intervention with libhwloc-5 library DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to libhwloc-5 library and system efficiency. If this fix repaired libhwloc-5 library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.